Tired of those recurring Kajabi charges and ready to say goodbye? Let's get straight to the point. Here's exactly how to cancel your Kajabi subscription and stop those future payments. First, log into your Kajabi account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for your profile icon, typically in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Account Settings. From that menu, click it. Now you're on the Account Settings page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. It might be written in smaller font, so look closely. Click on that button. Kajabi will then ask you to confirm your cancellation. Read the information carefully. It might explain the impact of canceling, such as losing access to your courses or content. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Confirm Cancellation button. You might be prompted with a quick survey asking why you're canceling. You can choose to answer or skip it. After confirming and potentially completing the survey, you should see a final confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's a good idea to refresh the page to double-check that your account status now reflects the cancellation. This ensures everything has gone through correctly. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Kajabi subscription. Now you can relax knowing you won't be charged again.